Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. If the aforesaid interpretation is not given in such a harmonious manner, then the list of members filed at the time of registration or renewal of the society will be there up to the next renewal, by if any change in the membership takes place within 5 years as the renewal of the society falls due in 5 years, then whether that change is required to be informed to the registrar or not, full stop. The registrar will be clueless and will be lacking information, if in the meantime, various members in the general body are inducted by the society, though inducted in accordance with the provisions contained in the bylaws, full stop. The registrar can place as check on illegal induction in this manner, full stop, para. The rider of 1 month imposed in subsection 2 itself is indicative of the fact that if there is any change at any point of time, then the same should be informed to the registrar within a period of 1 month, and this can be the only interpretation of subsections 1 and 2 of section 4b of the Act, keeping in view the statement of objects and reasons, which states that in order to curb the menace of fraudulent list being produced before the registrar by unscrupulous persons, a check was required to be placed, full stop. Now the check, which is required to be placed, is to be placed in a continuous manner, and if it is in piecemeal, then it is to be of no avail, and the intention of the legislature will stand defeated in regard to validity of the list of members of the general body being submitted before the registrar at the time of registration / renewal, full stop. The mischief is required to be checked, and if it is checked, then under subsection 2 of section 4b of the Act, the society must inform the registrar regarding the change in the membership after the registration / renewal takes place up to the period of next renewal, full stop. The legislature does not presume vacuum, and if there is any causes omissus, then the same can be supplied by the court, full stop, para. Court also observed that in making inquiry under section 4b of the Act, 1860, registrar is not a post office but supposed to act administratively by applying his mind on the facts and documents placed before him, full stop. Division bench also referred to Supreme Court judgment in AP Aburkar versus District Registrar and others, 2004, 11 SCC 274, and observed that when more than one returns are filed before registrar, it may not hold an elaborate inquiry but bound to satisfy himself prima facie as to which return is to be accepted, full stop. Inquiry made by registrar is not final, and aggrieved party can always take up the matter before a competent court, full stop. Court also held that term membership has been defined under Act, 1860, and it indicates that a member of a society shall be a person who, comma, having been admitted therein accordance to rules and regulations, comma, paid subscription, comma, signed the roll or list of members, full stop, over.